Let me show you how to import external leads directly into your autoresponder with nothing more than OptinDojo. Click the Add a New Funnel button. Type Lead Importer into the funnel name field. Don't add any page to your funnel. Open the Event Manager tab and click Add Event. Set the condition to trigger when a lead subscribes. Set the action to add lead to list. Select the autoresponder you want to send the leads to, then choose your target list. Keep in mind you can assign multiple actions here. Click Save Funnel to lock in your automation rules and close the funnel editor. Click Tracking Links in the navigation bar, then click Add a New Tracking Link. Open the Traffic Source dropdown. Instead of creating separate links for every individual lead vendor, build one universal lead traffic source. Click the plus icon to add a new traffic source. One thing worth noting, using a single global tracking link makes managing multiple lead vendors significantly easier while keeping your reports clean. Name it Global Lead Source, then click Save Traffic Source to lock it in. Click Save Tracking Link to generate the base URL for your lead import process. To identify exactly which vendor sends each lead, click Add UTM Parameters. Type the name of your lead provider into the UTM near source field. You'll get better data if you consistently mandate exact vendor names for all external lead providers. This allows you to track the exact ROI and email backend metrics of every source. Click the tracking URL text to copy the link to your clipboard. This base URL requires two structural modifications to process raw email data effectively. Open a new browser tab and paste your link into the address bar. Before the question mark, type /new-lead. At the very end of the URL, append an ampersand followed by email equals. Here's a power move. This specific URL structure transforms your standard tracking link into an active API endpoint for lead ingestion. Your lead vendor will programmatically append subscriber email addresses to the end of this URL. Type a test email address here to verify the connection. This ensures everything maps correctly before you start paying for leads. Press Enter to submit the request. The screen displays a basic OK message, confirming the system successfully ingested the lead. Keep in mind this lightweight text response ensures high-speed processing when vendors send bulk lead imports. Return to the OptinDojo tab. Notice the stats now registers one new opt-in from your global lead source, instantly validating your tracking configuration. Finally, verify the autoresponder connection. Navigate to the Aweber tab and click the Subscribers menu. This confirms the final step of the integration. You'll see your test email successfully added to the list, proving the automation chain works perfectly. Your system is now ready to receive external leads automatically around the clock. This works especially well when scaling traffic, as you eliminate manual CSV uploads completely and ensure immediate follow-up sequences trigger without delay. You now have a seamless, automated pipeline from your vendors right into your backend,